Cute morning routines for school teen girl. Hey beauties, today I'll share a productive morning routine for schoolgirl. Hope it helps you. Let's get into video. Step 1. Wake up to your favorite song. Set your alarm to wake up to your favorite upbeat song. Starting your day with music can energize you and put you in a good mood. Step 2. Stretch and take deep breaths. Spend a few minutes stretching your body and taking deep breaths to wake up your muscles and calm your mind. This can help reduce morning grogginess and increase alertness. Step 3. Hydrate. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up to rehydrate your body after a night of sleep. Add a slice of lemon for extra freshness. Step 4. Skincare routine. Keep your skincare routine simple but effective. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, apply moisturizer, and don't forget sunscreen if you'll be exposed to the sun during the day. Step 5. Enjoy a healthy breakfast. Prepare a nutritious breakfast that you enjoy, such as oatmeal with fruits, whole grain toast with avocado, or a smoothie packed with greens and berries. Eating a balanced breakfast fuels your body and mind for the day ahead. Step 6. Dress in your favorite outfit. Choose an outfit that makes you feel confident and happy. Whether it's a cute dress, a cozy sweater, or your favorite pair of jeans, wearing something you love can boost your mood. Step 7. Positive affirmations. Take a moment to affirm yourself with positive thoughts and intentions. Repeat affirmations such as, I am capable, I am ready to learn, or I am confident in myself. Step 8. Pack your bag. Organize your school bag the night before with all the essentials you'll need for the day, including textbooks, notebooks, pens, and any homework or assignments. Step 9. Express gratitude. Before leaving home, take a moment to express gratitude for the new day ahead and all the opportunities it brings. Reflect on what you're thankful for, whether it's your family, friends, or the chance to learn and grow. Step 10. Leave with a smile. As you head out the door, don't forget to smile. A positive attitude can make all the difference in how you approach your day and interact with others. Remember to personalize your morning routine to suit your preferences and schedule. By starting your day with positivity and intention, you'll be better equipped to tackle whatever challenges come your way at school. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.